TL Travelers, and welcome back to the TL Travel YouTube channel and Vlogmas. Vlogmas has begun. If you did not see my video sort of talking about whether or not I'm doing Vlogmas and how I'm doing Vlogmas this year, I just wanted to give you guys a really quick, brief explanation of what's actually going on for Vlogmas. So for anyone who doesn't know, Vlogmas is basically when people on YouTube and vloggers, sorry, I need to take my glasses off, post every single day. So we do daily vlogs for the month of December from the 1st to the 25th. So right up until Christmas. And I've been doing it for the last, I think 3 years I did Vlogmas each December. And so I didn't not want to do it this year because let's be real, I'm just a little OCD that way. But it will be the first year that I'm not traveling anywhere for Vlogmas with the exception of home for Christmas to Ontario. So I'll be traveling across Canada. So instead of posting a video every single day from the 1st to the 25th, I'm gonna vlog every day, but I'm still just gonna post recaps of my week on Thursdays and Sundays, so regularly scheduled vlog posts. That way I can just post the highlights and I can still throw in some travel tips and tricks for you guys. So that's the plan for Vlogmas today. Vlogmas day 1. It is the 1st of December, the 2nd when you guys are watching this. And if you know me at all, you know that I start every single morning with a vanilla or flavored coffee situation. Caffeine situation, and just my luck, I'm 100% out today. So that is my mission, to get myself caffeinated so that I can get some work done, because Derek comes home tomorrow. He works out of town for half the month. Oh. I did not just hit the camera with the cupboard door. So I want to run some errands and stuff today so that tomorrow I can just hang out with my man, you know? See my guy. Does anybody else remember what I said when it snowed in September? I think that if I didn't have to shovel snow ever in my life, or scrape it off my car or anything like that to go somewhere, I wouldn't despise it quite as much as I do. Yeah, I still feel that way. So the girl at Walmart, the checkout cashier at Walmart, just told me that she is a psychic and sees angels, and I don't know how I feel about it, because she told me that I should go and get my heart checked. And it's if you don't believe in that kind of stuff, then whatever. But then it's if you don't do it and something's wrong with your heart, I mean, that would be great, right? Hi. Visa?
There you are.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I don't know how I feel about the fact that my one caramel macchiato is the exact same price as a box of 18 vanilla coffee packets. But hey, when you're craving it, you're craving it, I guess. And I am back from my errands. Got my Starbucks and my groceries. Got a little bit distracted by the Christmas decorations, I'm not gonna lie. And I really wanted to buy them, but we're selling the house and we have people coming through for showings and stuff like that. So, they say don't personalize it and don't we're not even allowed to leave our toaster and our kettle and stuff out on the counters. So I doubt they're going to allow us, or I guess not allow us, it's still our house, but I doubt that it's a preference for us to decorate our house all crazy for Christmas. Anyways, plan now is to work. It is a work day. Saturdays are busy days for me, and that is the day that is right now. So I am going to work from now until the end of time. And then I'll catch up with you guys tomorrow when Derek arrives. I just heard Derek pull in. Yeah, he's gonna open the door and be like, honey, I'm home. Could you hear him? He's so cute. So I'm out of bed. The day has officially begun. Obviously, Derek is home from work today, so he'll be home for 7 days, which is really exciting for me because, you know, I'm just excited to spend time with my husband. That's allowed, right? So he's coming off of midnight shift. So he got home like mid-morning because he has like a 3.5 hour drive. Then he got into bed for a little bit of a nap because obviously he's been up for like longer than I'm ever awake. So I did not start my morning with a coffee. Be proud. That's probably why I look so tired. But I am starting my morning with a hot water and apple cider vinegar, which you're probably thinking, that does not sound enjoyable at all. It's actually not as bad as a lot of people think it is. I don't mind the taste of apple cider vinegar, so it's not horrible, and I don't necessarily drink it for pleasure. I drink it for its benefits, its life benefits, health benefits, and all that fun stuff. So I'm gonna have that now, and then later on I'm gonna be going to the gym. However, I did want to talk to you guys a little bit about detaching from work, speaking of the gym and all that fun stuff, because one of the things that I wanted to do for Vlogmas was give you guys some like tips and tricks for travel and for running your own home business and all that fun stuff, life-related things that, you know, are in my wheelhouse. And one of the things about running your own business that has come up in conversations and in comment section and stuff like that before has just been basically about how when you start your own business or when you run your own business, you're never away from it. You're always on call or you're always working, and your like hobby becomes your job, which in theory is really, really nice, but also can be a little bit frustrating. But today is a really good example of a day where I am, you know, trying to abstain from work. So I did some emails in bed this morning, and I have like one call later today, but that's it. That's all that I have today because I am relaxing.
These absolutely fascinating systems that we...
So the trick for detaching from your home business or from your work and just relaxing is making sure that you are choosing activities that are not related to your job, which sounds like a simple thing, but you have to remember that you have more than likely turned your favorite hobby into your job. So for me, one of my favorite like time killers back in the day used to be to like scroll through Instagram and look at all these beautiful holiday spots and like plan future trips for myself. But now that is so closely associated with my job that it doesn't feel like work, but it does lead to me thinking about work, or lead to me going back and doing work. So I can't do that anymore. What I do now though is I listen to podcasts, which I quite enjoy, and I listen to podcasts on things that are not travel related. So I do have some favorite travel podcasts right now, and I'd be happy to like list them or talk to you guys about them if you were interested. But I listen to podcasts that are not at all travel related when I want to unwind. One of my favorite podcasts right now that I'm totally addicted to is Ask a Spaceman by Paul Matt Sutter, and I'll like leave this information down below. So not only am I like learning something new about a new topic that I've never really had the chance to learn much about before, but it doesn't lead back to travel for me. Vinegar. And then along the same vein as doing something that you can't focus on travel while you're learning a new skill, all that kind of thing, I go to the gym. Now that I work from home, my schedule is more flexible and I can go to the gym in the morning or the afternoon, or I can go in the evening and I don't have to worry about what time I have to be up in the morning. So typically when I'm feeling really stressed at work or I just need to take like an hour, I will put the day on pause, head to the gym and do a class. So that is probably my favorite way to get out of the house, reset. And then of course, when I come back from my workout, not only am I like pumped full of adrenaline, ready to go, I've like reset my brain and I am so much more productive, like beyond productive. So even if you weren't a gym goer before, that's something that I would highly recommend checking out, just like for your own sanity.
2 hours later.
I'm home. Honey, I'm home. Yeah, home from the gym now. Gym was great. I can't film at the gym is the thing. So I'm going to make some dinner, well, shower, and then make some dinner. And I'm gonna make some chicken curry for Derek because he's been at work for like ages and needs a good old fashioned meal. So I'm gonna let you guys go here because I imagine that these like multi-day vlogs are gonna be fairly long and I don't wanna bore you into oblivion. So happy Vlogmas Day 2. So happy Vlogmas Day 2. If you like travel content and if you just like, you know, good old fashioned fun times, hit that subscribe button. We post new travel content every Thursday and Sunday, and right now we're posting my like whole week for Vlogmas. And if you're doing Vlogmas, make sure to let me know in the comments below because I want to come watch your Vlogmas. Because Vlogmas, how many times can we say Vlogmas? Vlogmas is just like one of those addicting things to watch. So yeah, hit that subscribe button, let me know if you're doing Vlogmas, and until next time, stay great, travel safe, and I'll see you on Thursday. Bye guys.